Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, so I figured I had a little time and would do a little educational video for the little Squarebody. It's a 1982 C10 Squarebody. We had an issue here a while back to where the universal joints in the drive shaft came out. When I replaced this transmission years and years ago, I put some new universal joints in, and believe it or not, let me go over here and show you. I did not replace the original ones. These are still the original universal joints that were in it from 1982. So I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to leave these in. And I replaced the new one right here by the input shaft. And of course, that is the one that failed. So I've got a new universal joint put in. Don't know the reason of the failure. I don't know if it's just cheap parts compared to what they used to put in them, but that was the issue. But what happened is when that drive shaft came loose, the universal joint came out, it put some tension on the transmission and ended up having the governor go out in it. So I done pulled the tail housing off of the, this is a 700 R4 transmission. Got the tail housing pulled off of it. I wanted to check and see if there's any more damage into it. Everything here looks good. No damage on this side. But it completely wore out the governor. Let me show you a picture of that. So the little governor gear, it completely just chewed through the little gear on the governor, and it would not change gears. And that's all it was just this governor gear was chewed up. So I guess that vibration just sent it into a self-destruct mode, because that's exactly what it did. So I got on the old computer, done a little research, and came to YouTube. There was a guy that told me about these little kits. So I went on eBay, got this kit. There's the part number. And it was cheaper than buying the individual parts. I was able to get the new governor gear, the seal, the O-ring, and the two bushings that go in the housing cheaper than I could have bought just the governor gear for. So got a good deal on that. It seems to be a good quality product. This seal itself was like $19, and I think this whole kit cost me $14.99 plus shipping. It got here in less than a week. Wasn't in no hurry to get it here, so I was able to kind of just shop around, and that seemed to be the best deal and the best bang for the buck. So I'm going to go ahead and get this gear put back on the governor, and hopefully get this thing back on the road. I miss my little C10. We do a lot of little riding around. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so we got that worn out gear, the strip gear, take it off. We got the little blue gear. I've read that that's supposed to be a little stronger composite. Put the little pin in, got it held together, cleaned it up, shot it with a little bit of cleaner. Always make sure your springs are good. So like I said, just make sure they fall open easy, close easy, open easy. So like I said, that way you know you got a good governor. If any of that's hanging up, it will not shift the way it should. So for those of you who don't know where the governor is, it's on this little slide plate, side plate, that's on this back side back here. Just worm it up through back here on the side. Comes in through your tail housing, spin it in, and that's all there is. Well, we got her all buttoned back up. Got our drive shaft back in. New fitting, new seal. Had a little trouble with the speedometer cable. It wasn't wanting to go on, but I finally got it to line up and put a new O-ring in it. Got it tightened up, got the new governor. Got it sealed up good so it don't leak. So now hopefully we'll do a little test run and it'll run like it should. But yeah, this little job wasn't bad. like I said, but I definitely had to get that governor gear changed out so I could shift gears, because that is what shift gears. I only had first and reverse, so now hopefully I'll have all my gears like I should. But hey, appreciate y'all watching. Want to remind you, if you haven't made Jesus Christ your Lord and Savior yet, hey, pray about it. It's the best decision I ever made. Hey, you guys take care. God bless.